saw earlier. Got a nice little microscope. What is that noise? Someone snoring? Exo, are you asleep? I think Exo's asleep. Exo. He fell asleep on the stream. Should we wake him up? He literally fell asleep. Friendly snake. Should we keep him here snoring? You can just hear him breathing. I bet he's going to talk in his sleep. Press 1 if you want me to keep him snoring in the chat. Press 2 if you want me to kick him.
A few moments later.
1, keep him. All right, he's going to stay. Scream as loud as you can. Okay, everyone cover your headphones or take them off for a second. I'm going to scream very loudly. Put his headphones in. Exo, wake up! Exo, wake up! He stopped snoring. Is he awake? Exo, we did it! Yay, he's awake. Did you sleep well? Hey, Exo, you fell asleep on stream.
I think I'm going to go to sleep.
Okay, I'm sorry I burst your eardrums. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, I'm so tired.
Get some rest, buddy.